kettle talks low on the back burner. Dust moves slow through the window light. I stand here in my father's old shirt, watching steam rise and disappear. There's a comfort in the pour, in the cup I hold with both hands, the warmth against my palms, like a prayer I don't have words for. The countertop knows the weight of my elbows. Grain by grain, day begins to settle. I think of my grandmother's kitchen, how she stood in the same kind of quiet. There's a comfort in the pour, in the cup I hold with both hands, the warmth against my palms, like a prayer I don't have words for. The sun climbs higher now. I take the first sip and close my eyes. Everything that needs doing, they can wait for this one slow breath.
Brewing coffee in the morning light, chasing dreams with a gentle bite. Kitchen rhythm, slow and low, where the vinyl spins and the peace flows. Whispers of the breeze, a simple song. In this space, people alone.
brewing coffee in the morning light, chasing dreams with a gentle bite. Kitchen rhythms, slow and low, where the vinyl spins and the peace flows. Whispers of the breeze, a simple song. In this space we belong. A quiet room with sunlight through the window. A gentle strum of strings and keys. Home feels like this, soft and slow, where the piano whispers and the guitar.
There's flowers still on the counter from whatever you made last night. The kitchen holds the sweetness like a guest that stayed too long. Sunlight cuts across the boards, finds every crack and grain. This table's held 1,000 meals and worn down just the same. Something baked, something warm, something I can't name. The floorboards creak in places where your footsteps always land. There's sugar in the wooden bowl and on your your tired hands. The stove still ticks from cooling the way old metal does. This room remembers everything that he, the care, does. Something big, something warm, something I can't name. I stand here in the quiet while the morning settles in. The sweetness hasn't faded yet, though the night is wearing thin. There's flowers still on the counter from whatever you made last night. The kitchen holds the sweetness like a guest that stayed too long. Sunlight cuts across the boards, finds every crack and grain. This table's held 1,000 meals and worn down just the same. Something baked, something warm, something I can't name. The floorboards creak in places where your footsteps always land. There's sugar in the wooden bowl and on your tired hands. The stove still ticks from cooling the way old metal does. This room remembers everything: the heat, the care, the dust. Something baked, something warm, something I can't name. I stand here in quiet while the morning settles in. The sweetness hasn't faded yet, though the night is wearing thin. There's a sound out back, old chains and rust, wood worn smooth from years, still holds us up. Paint chips on the grass, handprints on the posts, afternoons stretch long when we needed them most. Swing set hum, swing set creep, everything we were, everything we keep. The rope's a little frayed, one seat hangs low. Kids got their own kids now, but they still know summer evenings slow. Pump your legs once more, listen to that song from before, from before. Swing set hum, swing set creep, everything we were, everything we keep. Nobody took it down, nobody threw it out. Some things just stay, that's what a home's about. Swing set hum, swing set creep, everything we were, everything we keep. Old chains and rust, old chains and rust. Ooh, still holds us up. Ooh, still holds us up.